Hey, stop. Before you scroll, give me 2 minutes because what I'm about to show you could completely change how you create YouTube content, how you build online income, and how you automate an entire channel starting today. Imagine this for a second. What if you could run a YouTube channel without recording videos, without editing anything, without uploading a single file yourself? Sounds impossible, right? But let me ask you something, be honest. Why are people still struggling to build YouTube channels the hard way? Think about what it actually takes. You have to research topics, write scripts, record footage, edit videos, design thumbnails, upload content, optimize SEO, and repeat this process again and again and again. No wonder most people quit, not because they lack ambition, but because the process is exhausting. Hours of editing, days of work, and sometimes zero results. And here's the frustrating part. YouTube rewards one thing above everything else: consistency. Channels that upload consistently grow, channels that don't disappear. So the real question becomes, how do you publish consistently without burning out? That's exactly why we built something completely different. Something smarter, something automated, something powered by AI agents. Introducing AI YouTube Channel Maker, the breakthrough AI agent system that researches, scripts, creates, edits, and publishes YouTube videos automatically. From one simple dashboard. This isn't just another AI writing tool, and it's not another script generator. This is a complete YouTube automation engine. Here's what happens once you activate it. The AI agent starts researching trending topics in your niche. Then it writes high-retention scripts designed to keep viewers watching. Next, it generates the full video, voiceover, visuals, captions, editing, everything. And then it publishes the video directly to your YouTube channel automatically, which means no filming, no editing software, no complicated setup, just automation. And here's where it gets interesting, because once your channel starts publishing videos consistently, those videos become digital assets, working for you 24 hours a day, bringing views, subscribers, traffic, revenue opportunities, not for one day, but potentially for years. And don't worry, the system was designed to be beginner-friendly, no coding, no technical skills. If you can click a few buttons, you can activate the AI agent. Now here's the kicker. Most tools that do even a fraction of this charge monthly subscriptions. $49, $97, even $297 per month. But today, during this launch, you can unlock AI YouTube Channel Maker for a tiny one-time investment. No subscriptions, no recurring fees. Just activate the AI agent once and use it forever. And of course, you're fully protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you try it and decide it's not for you, just contact support, and we'll refund every penny, no questions asked. So the real question is simple. Do you keep struggling to build YouTube channels the manual way? Or do you activate an AI agent that handles the entire workflow for you? If you're ready to, automate video creation, publish content consistently, grow subscribers without burnout, build YouTube channels from your laptop, and finally leverage AI instead of grinding for hours, then click the button below. Activate AI YouTube Channel Maker and let your AI agent start building your channel today. No camera, no editing, no stress, just automation, your move.
Hello and welcome to AI YouTube Channel Maker. In this quick video, I'll give you a complete overview of how fast and easy AI YouTube Channel Maker works. Let's get started. Log into the application, and from the dashboard menu, you'll find all the powerful features available inside AI YouTube Channel Maker. Let's start with finding viral niches. Click on Find Viral Niche. Here, the AI helps you discover trending and high-demand niches with strong growth potential. Within seconds, the system shows you niche opportunities based on demand, competition level, and monetization potential. Now moving to Analyzes Competitors. Click on Analyzes Competitors. This feature allows you to break down successful YouTube channels in your niche. You'll instantly see insights like top performing videos, content strategy, upload frequency, and engagement patterns, helping you understand exactly what's working in the market. Now heading to High RPM Topics. Click on High RPM Topics. This tool helps you find topics that attract higher paying advertisers. The system provides topic ideas, optimized not just for views, but for higher revenue potential. Next, let's explore AI script writing. Click on AI script writing. Here, you can generate complete, ready-to-record video scripts in seconds. In just moments, your full YouTube script is ready, including hook, structured content, and call to action. Now moving to AI SEO Agent. Click on AI SEO Agent. This feature optimizes your video metadata for maximum visibility. You'll receive SEO optimized titles, descriptions, and tags designed to improve rankings and increase click-through rates. Let's now check /B testing. Click on /B testing. This allows you to test different titles to see which performs better, helping you make data-driven decisions for higher engagement. Finally, let's explore video creation. Click on Video Creation. Here, you can streamline your workflow and organize your video production process efficiently, all in one place.
Mia, curious and adventurous, stumbled upon an article titled "The Truth About Day Trading for Beginners." Intrigued, she dived into the world of fast trades and flashing screens. Initially fueled by dreams of quick riches, Mia quickly learned the reality: intense focus, volatile markets, and a steep learning curve. Yet, she found unexpected excitement in mastering the skills, slowly realizing success was not instant, but earned.
Discover how you can revolutionize your income with 5 powerful AI tools to start earning online this year. From clever chatbots mastering customer engagement to robust platforms creating stunning digital art, these tools unlock new freelance opportunities. Automate tasks, boost productivity, and tap into global markets, turning innovative technology into your own online success story. Discover how you can revolutionize.
Amelia was astounded to receive a letter penned by her late grandmother, discovered in an attic chest. The letter, written years before her passing, guided Amelia to a forgotten family cottage nestled in the hills. As she uncovered stories of her ancestry, she mended the fractures of her heart. This journey, unexpected yet profound, rekindled bonds and led her to embrace both her heritage and a newfound love in the countryside.
In Paris, Emma discovers a letter from her late grandmother, unveiling family secrets intertwined with tales of her forgotten romance. As she navigates the city's hidden corners, Emma uncovers a legacy of love and resilience, igniting her own heart in a place once foreign, now home.
Now let's quickly look at additional key sections: support and resources, access tutorials, guides, and assistance whenever you need help. AI YouTube Channel Maker brings everything together, from niche research to script writing and SEO, so you can build, grow, and monetize your YouTube channel strategically. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy building and scaling your YouTube success with AI YouTube Channel Maker.